Use this app to record a lecture, turn on Transcribe, then use Apple Intelligence to summarize what you learned. Hey everyone, it's Ashif with Softorino. Today we're going to take a look at a very useful app built right into your iPhone. It's called Voice Memos. It's available on iPhone, iPad, Mac, and even Apple Watch. Voice Memos' main function is to act as your tape recorder. Let's say you have an idea while cooking and you don't want to touch your phone with wet hands. Well, you can ask Siri to record a voice memo and start speaking. That's its most basic function, and once you're done with the recording, this app comes with a handful of tools to make your life a lot easier. Press this button here and it'll take you to the recordings options. The speed slider is for playback in case you want to listen to it at 2x speed. You can also skip silence if you had sections where you needed to gather your thoughts. And the bottom toggle called Enhanced Recording is to reduce background noise. But that's not all this app has. It just got a new feature that you might not have noticed. Whatever you speak into your memo will be transcribed. Since this app knows the sentences inside of each memo, you can use the search bar to locate the correct file even if you forgot to change its title. Like this memo here. It's called New Recording 3, but if I search the word iMessages, it'll scan through all the transcriptions and let me know which recording has this word. Or let's say you're at a university lecture and you have your iPhone recording using voice memos. Well, now you have a written down transcription of everything your professor said. But no one wants to listen through or read 60 minutes worth of a lecture, and that's where Apple Intelligence comes in. Go ahead and select the entire transcript, right click or long press on it, go to Writing Tools, and now you can summarize the recording. That's definitely my favorite use for voice memos. You record a lecture and then you use the transcription and summarize feature to get the most out of your Apple device. Another cool thing to note is that this app will sync your recordings over all of your Apple devices. And after it's synced over, you can use a different device with AI to do your summary. Those were all the hidden tips and tricks of this Voice Memos app. I hope you found these useful and start using the Voice Memo app where you need it. If you did find this video awesome, make sure you leave us a like and subscribe because we post awesome Apple tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.
Softorino. Tiny apps that make a gigantic difference.